Do, 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 do. All right. Man, what is this up with tsla, Tesla? Super duper volatile. This is like the epitome of stocks that this is the monthly, guys, and look at these long wicks. And I had fun a little while back, zoomed in on the daily, and it had a record amount of gap ups and gap downs. But I believe eventually it's going to start tightening up. The volatility is going to start diminishing, and we're going to be preparing for a next move, guys. Monthly defined breakout line, still have it at 370. Here you could have got whipsawed. You had to wait for that close, guys. Sellers coming in, bring big back down within the range. Starting to define that monthly defined support. Price action below it. It's time to short. Closed above. Same thing here. Crazy wick. So if you eliminate all the wicks, that's all the intra-weekly, intra-daily closes that create all that action. But if you just focus and look at the bodies of those candles, it helps you see a clearer picture of the actual pattern, the actual definition of the boundary. Let's do my classic chart trading framework. Implied measure move. Add it to breakout line. And right now, if I zoom in on the weekly, we're probably going to be already in closing in on a stage 2 breakout. Price action now is above the 12-month moving average. It's starting to angle upwards. But there's all this overhead resistance right here. We're chopping right through it. So maybe this could be, we're going to go test. There's right here, even here, check it out. Right here, there's another. So the resistance is going to be starting right about here at the 360 level. And it's going to continue until we really bust and we close above the 370. So this is turbulence coming here. It might pierce through here, pierce through both levels. Maybe have a close now. If not, wick back inside. Test the 12-month moving average, little consolidation pattern, and maybe explode after that. Once you're out, if you have a close above that 370, then you got that implied measure move to 484. And after that, either it gets straight pipe or the game goes up, down to retest that breakout line at the 370 level off the 12-month moving average and maybe go like that. But the thing is with Tesla, there's no, look at that, there's no, this is all-time highs, guys. Uncharted territory. Been tested a few times with these wicks, having price action above 370. But other than that, if this busts through, it could easily in 1 month or two reach these levels, guys. So that's the monthly higher trend analysis. Above the 12-month moving average, it's starting to angle upwards. You don't want to short it. You don't necessarily want to be in right now. You want to make sure you close above these next important resistance levels just the same time. Because if it hits the 360 and the market is, no, we're not ready yet, it's going to bounce back down, then go back up. And these are monthly candles. You're going to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a stock that is not quite ready. So it's a two-part equation, right? You need to choose the correct direction, at least to start off. And you want the timing. So wherever you put your sell stop, the price action it's less likely to go test that where your sell stop is, because your timing would have been so good that wherever you enter, it was a precise moment where everything decided to explode, and it didn't need to retest or deep down, go back deep below the breakout level. Woo! All right, weekly. Where are we, guys? Oh, look at the volume. The volume. Where's my arrow? Move that, outperforming the SPX. So here you have a nice volume candle right here. Close above horizontal breakout line, close above Ichimoku cloud. So this looks pretty good. The only thing we don't like is we like that weight of evidence. We like to have a monthly defined breakout at the same time as we're entering. So I see this as the embryonic breakout, that base. And what's going to happen? Right, remove. Can I remove this? Oh, remove. 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 This. Can I scoot it? Oh, I'm cheating. So this is embryonic breakout. Get that price action through a burst, high volume, very encouraging. Above the 30-week average, above resistance. But we're not quite there yet. We have that monthly defined resistance, which coincides also for the 360 level on weekly defined resistance. And what's going to happen is you're going to have the price action slowing down, sellers getting in, and then you might come back to test this embryonic breakout line. But since you had all that volume, and if it's on contracting volume, the pullback, then after that you have increased chances of going up again. And here's a good risk to reward ratio right here. And if you didn't want to wait, embryonic breakout, pullback, contracting volume. And what you could do, you could even wait more, a little bit more time. And then when you're out, then when you have the pullback right here, that's your best bet right here. Low risk to reward, because you've controlled that the pullback's going to be on contracting volume here. You're going to make sure that you have that volume on this breakout candle here out of the 360, 370 level. Oh, Patrick. You're going to have that crazy volume candle here. You're going to have contracting volume red candles here. So if ever you enter right here, then that 30-week average is protecting you. That monthly defined resistance now is monthly defined support, what I call a wall. And that's going to protect you from the price dipping in below that. And then you're just ready to take off. So you got to create momentum. You got to make sure you have a lot of price action above that 30-week average. You want to make sure you're out of monthly defined resistance and even weekly defined resistance. All this, you're not quite out yet there. You got to estimate that this price action here, it could slow down this movement right here. But this is very encouraging. We're just not out of the woods yet. Embryonic breakout, maybe, and after that pullback to test that, and after that the second breakout right here above these monthly defined breakout levels would just be awesome. But we're almost there, guys, for Tesla. Looking good. Whoa, look at the scribbles. God, look like chicken scratch. Move all drawing tools. Gotta let it work out. We have this nice same type of volatile action right here until it decides to explode. Same thing happening here. Make sure you wait. I think you had it right here on the monthly. See, same thing here. Monthly defined breakout. Whoa. And when you had that close above that monthly defined breakout level, then after that, 1, 2, 3 months later, target reached. And after that, you're out. All right, guys, Tesla, man, picking up some steam, looking good. Just anticipate that slowdown at 360, 370 level. And if you close above that, then to the moon. See ya. Ciao, guys.